palangga, yung oras dito is 7:45 na ng umaga. And si John, umalis si John. Si John kanina, mga 6:30 ng umaga yun kasi may trabaho siya. And mag-coffee muna ako, and early in the morning, let's do an unboxing because John yesterday, I was at work yesterday and he sent me a message saying I got a big package. So, I told him that please do not open my package because it's probably your Christmas present. And then, he sent me a devil emoji. Because he normally open my packages, and that's why I asked him, please do not, please be a good boy. But he obviously don't like it. But I'm sure he was just kidding about sending me a devil emoji. Mahilig ba kayo sa kape mga palangga? Kasi ako, coffee holic talaga ako. My morning is so like tiring, very weak if I don't start my morning with coffee. Addiction to, diba? Height problem mga palangga. Ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung package. Ito siya. Pero nagdududa ako kung para kay Jan ba to, or I think this is just only for Christmas decoration. So, hindi ko kasi maalala kasi I made a multiple order. And, yun. But I'm pretty sure talaga it is just a Christmas thing. Ito na yung box mga palangga. Dinala ko dito kasi mas maliwanag dito kasi ginagamit ko yung ring light ko. At papasensyahan nyo na yung background kasi itong room na to is parang naging stock room. So, please, papasensyahan nyo na. Right. Ano nga ba ang laman nito? Ang laman mga palangga is tama ako yung mga Christmas decor na in-order ko. Ito sila. See? Oh my God! Sobrang excited ko! Umorder ako ng isang wreath and isang garland. At may lights sila. Yung LED light. Look. Ah! Ang ganda niya tingnan. There they are. Yes! I can't wait. Tama talaga ako sa kutob ko na yung loob ng box is hindi para kay Jan. But tomorrow mga palangga, wala akong work. So magde-decoration tayo for Christmas! Oh my God! Time flies so quickly mga palangga. And I really miss the Christmas in the Philippines. Lalo na yung pamilya ko. But you know, I have plans for them, and you know, probably some people don't get it, what's my plan, but I have a plan for them. So anyway, added lang sa ipapakita ko, meron na din kaming Christmas cracker. See, there you go. And ito mga palangga, may nagtanong sa akin kung yung Christmas tree na vlog ko in my previous vlog, saan ko ba daw nabili yon? Nabili ko yun sa charity shop. I love going to charity shop. Palagi akong pumupunta sa charity shop. At bumili ako ng additional. Ito siya. See? It's a glitter snowman lantern. There's a snowman in there. See? Ang cute, diba? I'm almost sorted for Christmas. Oh. Gustong-gusto ko kasi oh, si Jan nandito na. Gustong-gusto ko mag-decorate, pero last year hindi ako nag-decorate ng masyado. Jan is here, so we need to keep this secret. No! I had my coffee! Do not go in my room, please.
What?
Just don't go.
Oh, what? What have you got?
No! Stop it! Stop it! Hans, stop it! He's asking what's inside the box. This man. Honey, oi!
I'm not allowed to see, guys. This is what I
Han,
put up
stop.
with.
Stop.
No. I'm saying.
Stop. Close the door. You're naughty. Ganito talaga yan pag Christmas time. Parang bata si Jan. Nagbago yung isip ko mga palangga at inilagay ko na yung Christmas decor, yung garland. And I'm so in love with this. Here it is. Oh, look at that, baby. And I will send Jan a message because he is really expecting that the box is for him. And it was like very adamant, can I open the box? And I said, no, it's not for you. So I will send him a message and a picture. Saan na ba yung picture? Nag-take ako ng photo kanina. This photo. There you go. There. And sent. It says delivered. Nakita niya, nakita niya. Oh my God. Hindi siya nag-reply. So, probably may ginagawa. Oh my God, I can't wait his reaction. Kagagaling lang ni Postman mga palangga at ito na talaga, ito na yung gift ko para kay Mr. At tingnan nyo yung ano ni Tid Baker dyan. Keep your eyes on the pies. Oh, that's cute. Hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo. This will be all revealed on Christmas time, but I hope he will be happy. Lunchtime! Basang-basa pa yung buhok ko kasi naligo ako mga palangga at binalik ko na lang yung sinuot ko kaninang umaga. Tipid sa tubig. Oh dear. It's 16 degrees in the house. Can we? And yesterday mga palangga, nagluto ako ng rice pudding. First time ko magluto ng rice na in oven. Promise. At hindi ko alam.
And she's eaten half of it already.
Tingnan niyo. Ito, yung ginamit ko na rice kasi is yung rice nila, hindi yung sticky rice natin. Ito yung ginamit ko. The short green rice pudding. Para lang siyang sushi rice. Yeah, it's very much similar to sushi rice.
Chocolate rice.
But Jan, eat the half of it already.
I have not eaten any, guys. I don't eat rice.
Who is this then? I mean, you don't eat rice. Who ate this portion then? Look.
You?
With me. I was at work.
She had it for lunch.
I was at work.
You had it for lunch. You took some to work with you. Then when you come home, you had some for supper.
No, I didn't. Look at this guy. Don't be a liar.
I'm not a liar. I don't have to lie. I don't have to try and be something I'm not, because I am what I am and that's it.
Let me have a look. Let me have an x-ray in your stomach. Oh, I could see some rice in there.
Not butter on your bread. How long you put that on?
Answer my question.
How long you put it on for?
2 minutes.
Darling, can you take it out? You're going to blow it up.
Answer my question. Who made the best rice pudding? Me or your mama?
You, darling. I said don't talk.
Are you like?
There's a violence I had to come up with. No wonder my ears stick out, is it, guys?
Do you agree with that? Your resemblance with Mr. Bean? So Some people commented that. You look like Mr. Bean.
Shouldn't say Mr. Bean, but a lot of English people say Postman Pat.
Can I see the Postman Pat? Can you get your phone, please? I don't know Postman Pat.
She doesn't know who Postman.
Ah.
See? That's what happens when you stick it in the microwave. Yeah.
But that's a cartoon.
Yeah, I know.
It doesn't look like that. You don't have a big nose. So do you agree you look like that?
There's his pussy, Jess.
Oh dear. Now I know. But all I can tell you, and you don't look like him.